Hey everyone, welcome to Facts for Bored People. Today we're talking about Rolex. Did you know that the history of Rolex began in 1905 in London? Yes, over a century ago, Hans Wilsdorf and Alfred Davis established what would become the epitome of luxury watchmaking. Rolex's commitment to excellence has made it a leader in the luxury watch market, with a reputation for precision, durability, and timeless design. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Every Rolex watch is handmade. In an age where automation is king, Rolex stands out. Each watch is meticulously crafted by skilled artisans, ensuring that every detail meets the brand's exacting standards. They even manufacture their own materials in-house. This dedication to quality is why Rolex watches are so highly valued and sought after. Rolex also distinguishes itself with its use of 904L stainless steel. Unlike the 316L steel used by most other brands, 904L steel is more expensive and robust. This material offers superior resistance to scratches, corrosion, and wear. Plus, Rolex is the only watchmaker that produces its own gold. They maintain complete control over the quality, consistency, and appearance of their gold. Talk about dedication. Have you ever wondered about the origin of the name Rolex? It's a bit of a mystery. Some say it's a contraction of the French phrase horlogerie exquise, meaning exquisite clockwork. Others believe Hans Wilsdorf chose Rolex because it was short, memorable, and easy to pronounce in any language. There's even a theory that the name was inspired by the sound of a watch being wound. Whatever the true story, the name Rolex is now synonymous with luxury and precision. But is a Rolex really worth it? Many would argue, yes, Rolex watches are known to retain and even appreciate in value over time. Their commitment to quality, durability, and timeless design ensures that these watches remain desirable for years. Vintage Rolex models, especially those no longer in production, have become highly sought-after collector's items. Owning a Rolex is often seen as a symbol of success and good taste. When buying a Rolex, it's best to purchase through authorized retailers to ensure authenticity. However, for those looking for a more affordable option, reputable pre-owned watch dealers offer a wide selection of Rolex watches at competitive prices. So, whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or someone who appreciates the finer things in life, a Rolex watch is more than just a timepiece. It's a symbol of craftsmanship, heritage, and luxury that few other brands can match. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed learning these incredible facts about Rolex, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating facts. Until next time, keep on learning.